Look at this. Fucking beautiful. Look at that. It's as if it was made just for this vehicle. So the weather is still currently shitty. But I mean, you can see a little blue. It did lighten up a little bit. So I figured I'd come and get started on these door panels. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, because I really don't like, you know, this many speakers in the door anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, get the window regulator that I spoke about in the last video, and the power lock, just to kind of see where everything's gonna go. Man, listen guys, I am so stoked right now. Listen, I'm very stoked. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. Honestly, I didn't even have to use any of the hardware. None of the hardware provided for this. Now understand, this is not a kit designed for G-bodies. This kit is a universal kit. I have the link in the description. Check it out. If you have a G-body, this is a no-brainer. Honestly, check this out. On the door, if you look, it has two factory holes. Now these holes, honestly, I'm not even sure what goes there. They're probably nothing. I have no idea. But it just so happened to align very perfect with the screw positions for this. Now check this out. Again, this is not a G-body kit. It is a universal kit. Boom. Boom. And honestly, all I did is put my hands through here, put it in the back, and put the screws in. Simple as that. The only thing I had to do was bend this, the stem that comes with the kit. This stem, just so I can make sure that it clears these edges. You fasten the clip onto the stem first, slide it on, find a good position on the factory lock stem. Tighten up those two screws once it's in place, and voila. It's fucking awesome. That is what I call a great day. I didn't have to break a sweat for this, you guys. The only thing now left is to wire it up. I'm gonna go ahead, once I get that wired up, I'll put this video together, and I'll also post a link in the description of where I got this from. I hope the power window kit goes on just as easy. Hopefully I can use one of these factory holes somewhere. I don't know. I'm just wishing for a great day on a rainy day. The reason I did a power lock before the power window is so that I can make sure that when I go to let down the windows while I'm manually doing it and I have full control, it clears everything. It's really too dark in there to really show you anything, but it clears everything. Nothing touches, scrapes, completely out the way. Alright, now this is the wire harness. It comes with a few wires. Of course, we all know your black and red would be your ground and power. The short brown and white are the I'm going to go ahead and call them the auxiliary cable. This is what you would hook up to an aftermarket or alarm system. That way you can also use that key fob or whatever method you use to disarm the alarm to also unlock the doors. This is what the brown and the short brown and short white wires are. The long brown and long white wires, that goes to the primary motor or actuator, as I said I'm going to call it, and that goes to the primary, and that will also, and that's the one that sends the signal to unlock and lock the doors, which then it will go ahead and also repeat it and send it through the green and blue, which goes to your second door, your third, or your fourth door. Okay. And honestly, it's pretty much is very straightforward. You can only really put it in one way because of the pins. If you notice, it has these edges here, and that goes right in. Alright, so it's fairly simple. What you're going to do is you're going to simply slide this in through the hole. Comes up and it locks in like this. Now, as this does this motion here, when it receives the signal, it will either push to unlock or pull the lock. Now, the way that's done is with these clips here. So you loosen them up. You slide it through the first hole, and this will connect onto your lock and unlock latch. And once that's, you screw these in to tighten it, and it allows the motion. Okay, it's fairly simple.
Got it out the trenches, all I know is go and get it. Mama told me, boy, get off your ass and count the benches. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. Got it out the trenches, all I know is go and get it. Mama told me, boy, get off your ass and count the benches. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. And lately I've been counting money